On January 19, 2026, Russian soldiers in the Pokrovsk sector came under attack from Ukrainian FPV drones.
Это пизда нахуй.
A Ukrainian MiG-29 fighter jet is shown taking off from Mykolaiv airfield just moments before the runway was struck. The aircraft narrowly escaped damage. A Russian drone operator detected two soldiers and a camouflaged vehicle in the middle of the road. As the drone approached to strike the vehicle, it struck an electrical cable. The operator quickly executed a sharp maneuver, repositioned, and then successfully destroyed the vehicle. A Russian drone unit is shown striking multiple Ukrainian infantry positions in the Pokrovsk direction, as operators track movement from above and carry out a series of coordinated engagements in the area. A Russian FPV drone tracked a Ukrainian soldier in a village area, restricting the soldier's options as the drone steadily closed in. GoPro footage. A Rosgvardia mobile fire unit engages an enemy UAV using Yolka-type interceptor drones in the border region. A Russian drone tracked a vehicle with a Ukrainian soldier nearby. The soldier quickly moved away as the vehicle was rendered inoperative during the operation. Russian special forces intercepted a Ukrainian drone on a road leading toward Pokrovsk. The drone was approaching the area with the apparent intent to carry out an operational task when it was detected. Prompt reaction and precise fire enabled the Russian unit to neutralize the drone before it could reach its objective.
Красавчик. Красава! Да тебя поцелуй, братан. О, альхамдулилlah.
UAV operators are actively conducting operations from the Rubicon Center, coordinating strikes and reconnaissance missions to monitor and engage enemy forces effectively. Russian FPV drone strike on a group of foreign mercenaries in the Kupiansk area. After the FPV drone approached the enemy position, additional engagement was conducted within minutes using a drone-deployed munition. Russian FPV drone crews from airborne units continue active operations in the area. Drone operators systematically search for and engage enemy positions, maintaining constant pressure and effective aerial control across the sector. Footage of a strike on a Ukrainian Patriot air defense position using an Iskander-M system near Shevchenko in Dnipropetrovsk Oblast. According to sources, the strike destroyed Orange Circle 1 multifunctional and /MPQ 65 radar station, Orange Circle 1 command vehicle, Orange Circle 1 diesel generator. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone operator detected Ukrainian explosives hidden beneath a bridge in the Varvarivka area. The drone executed a precise strike on the ammunition cache, causing a massive explosion that completely destroyed the bridge. Ukrainian armed forces engineering units encountered Russian FPV drones while en route to a construction site. The drones observed and engaged the area, disrupting the movement of the engineering units. On November 19, 2025, Ukrainian forces in Yampil have reportedly lost a motorcycle. Special forces neutralized the vehicle along with its garage during an operation. A Russian attack drone spotted a Ukrainian ground-based UAV during a reconnaissance mission. As the drone closed in on the UAV, it detected 3 Ukrainian soldiers hiding nearby. The soldiers noticed the Russian drone, triggering a brief pursuit. A group of Ukrainian infantry was spotted in the village of Plashchevka moving toward the PVD. The Rubicon combat group engaged the PVD using a KVN fiber optic drone, with target control provided by pilots from the 346th Special Forces Regiment. The 35th Army launched an attack on Ukrainian armed forces positions in Gaul. In addition to drone operations, artillery units carried out heavy strikes on the Ukrainian positions. In the southern Donetsk direction, attack units and reconnaissance teams from the VSTTO group are on the move. During an operation on a house in Fedorivka, a Ukrainian fighter fired from a window, prompting Russian drone operators to engage the location and neutralize the building. Near Pokrovsk, Russian FPV drone operators carried out a precision strike against Ukrainian artillery positions. Guided by real-time reconnaissance, the drones accurately identified and engaged the equipment. The strike successfully neutralized the artillery unit, significantly reducing enemy firepower in the sector and highlighting the increasing effectiveness of FPV drones in counter-artillery operations. A fiber optic FPV drone operator from the Elise motorized rifle unit of the Central Military Group destroyed a Ukrainian unmanned platform transporting ammunition to combat positions near Rasno-Armisk. Fiber optic FPV drone destroyed a Ukrainian armored vehicle near a chemical factory in Konstantinovka. The precision strike demonstrates how advanced UAVs can target armored vehicles effectively, even in industrial areas, highlighting the growing role of drones in modern battlefield operations. A Russian fiber optic drone on standby promptly launched and neutralized a Ukrainian forces pickup truck upon detecting it. Fiber optic teams attached to the 164th Motorized Rifle Brigade are targeting a Ukrainian Armed Forces Humvee near the Sloviansk thermal power plant. The opposing pontoon bridge visible in the image, located on a bend of the Severky Donets River near Nikolaevka, was repaired after an attack in mid-September and is awaiting a replacement FAB series munition. It is also worth noting that Russian fiber optic FPV UAV access to pontoon crossings creates new tactical opportunities to interdict and disrupt opposing logistics in the direction of Krasnoarmysk. On the night of January 20, 2026, in Donbass, a Rubicon FPV drone operator successfully struck a HIMARS multiple launch rocket system. During a combat sortie near Novobakhmativo, the drone tracked the MLRS and delivered a precise strike, completely destroying the launcher. In a coordinated operation, Russian forces launched a combined strike on a thermal power plant in Kiev using Garand-2 kamikaze drones alongside the Iskander OTRK ballistic missile system. The attack targeted critical energy infrastructure, and local residents subsequently reported widespread power outages across multiple districts of the city. Footage from the operation captures the MIM-104 Patriot air defense system actively engaging the incoming ballistic missiles, attempting to intercept and neutralize them before impact. Despite the air defense response, the strike caused significant disruption to power supply in the affected areas, highlighting both the precision of the missile drones combination and the vulnerability of civilian infrastructure during ongoing military operations.